Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Podcast with Emma. I'm Emma, your English teacher, and I'm very happy you're here today. This podcast is made for you if you want to improve your English a little bit every day in a calm and friendly way. Today's episode is about daily life. We're going to talk about what we do in the morning, during the day, and in the evening. This is one of the most useful topics in English because we talk about our daily life all the time. When someone asks you, "How are you?" or "What do you do every day?" This topic helps you answer with confidence. So find a comfortable place, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Part 1. The morning. Let's start with the morning. The morning is the beginning of the day. What time do you wake up? Some people wake up very early. Other people wake up later. Most of us wake up because of an alarm clock. Beep, beep, beep. That sound can be very difficult. When the alarm rings, some people jump out of bed right away. Other people press the snooze button. Just 5 more minutes. But 5 minutes can easily turn into 10 minutes, or even 15 minutes. When I finally wake up, the first thing I do is get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. These small actions help my body wake up. After that, I feel more awake and more ready for the day. Part 2. Morning habits. After washing my face, I usually make a drink. Many people drink coffee in the morning. Some people prefer tea, others drink water. I like to make a cup of coffee. While I drink my coffee, I try to enjoy a quiet moment. Sometimes I look at my phone. I check messages or read the news. But sometimes I don't look at my phone at all. I just sit quietly and prepare my mind for the day. Both habits are normal. The important thing is to start your day in a way that feels good for you. Part 3. Breakfast. Next comes breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Some people eat a big breakfast. Other people eat something very small. A big breakfast might include eggs, bread, fruit, or yogurt. A small breakfast might be toast, fruit, or cereal. On busy days, breakfast is often simple and fast. That's okay. What's important is that you eat something to give your body energy. After breakfast, it's time to get ready for the day. Part 4. Getting ready. Getting ready usually means taking a shower and choosing clothes. A shower helps you feel clean and refreshed. Many people like a hot shower in the morning because it helps them wake up. After the shower, it's time to choose clothes. This sounds easy, but sometimes it's not. You open your closet, you see many clothes, and you think, "I have nothing to wear." This happens to many people. To make mornings easier, I like to choose comfortable clothes that are simple and practical. Comfort is important, especially on busy days. Part 5. Leaving the house. After getting ready, it's time to leave the house. Some people go to work, some people go to school, some people work from home. If you leave the house, you might drive a car, take a bus, take a train, or walk. If you drive, you might experience traffic. Stop. Go. Stop again. Traffic can be stressful. If you take public transportation, it can be crowded. But this time can also be useful. Many people listen to music, audiobooks, or English podcasts. Listening to English every day, even for a short time, can really help you improve. Part 6. Starting the day. When the day begins, I start my work. I turn on my computer and check my emails. Emails are very common in daily life. After checking emails, I focus on my tasks. Tasks are the things you need to do during the day. Some tasks are easy, some tasks are difficult. I try to focus and do my best. Part 7. Lunchtime. Around the middle of the day, it's time for lunch. Lunch is very important. It gives us energy and a chance to rest. Some people bring lunch from home. Some people buy lunch outside. Lunch might be a sandwich, a salad, rice, or something warm. Lunch is also a social time. Some people eat with coworkers or friends. Others eat alone and relax. Both are okay. Taking a break helps us feel better for the rest of the day. Part 8. The afternoon. After lunch, the afternoon begins. For many people, the afternoon is the hardest part of the day. Around 3 p.m., energy often goes down. You might feel tired, you might feel sleepy. This is very normal. Some people drink coffee or tea. Others eat a small snack. A snack might be fruit, nuts, or a small sweet. After that, we continue working until the workday ends. Part 9, Going home when work finishes, it's time to go home. This is often the best feeling of the day. You're tired, but you're free. When I get home, the first thing I do is change my clothes. Comfortable clothes feel very good after a long day. This simple action helps my body relax. Part 10, Evening Time. The evening is slower and more relaxed. In the evening, it's time for dinner. Some people love cooking. Cooking can be relaxing and creative. Other people find cooking stressful. That's okay. Dinner can be simple: pasta, rice, eggs, or soup. Sometimes people order food. After dinner, there is time to relax. People relax in different ways. Some watch TV, some read books, some listen to music, some talk with family. Some people like to go for a walk in the evening. Walking helps clear the mind and relax the body. Part 11, Before Bed. Before going to bed, it's important to slow down. I like to prepare for sleep. I brush my teeth. I change into pajamas. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to calm music. I try not to look at my phone too much before sleeping. Good sleep is very important for learning English and for health. Most adults need about 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Part 12, Reflection and Practice. Now let's practice together. Think about your day. Ask yourself these questions. What time do I wake up? What do I do in the morning? How do I go to work or school? What do I do in the evening? What time do I go to bed? You can answer these questions out loud or write them down. This is a great way to practice English. Closing. So today we talked about daily life in English. We talked about the morning, the day, and the evening. These are simple words but very powerful. You can use them every day. Now, I have a question for you. Are you a morning person or an evening person? Think about your answer and try to say it in English. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Podcast with Emma. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow the podcast and share it with someone learning English. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing your English every day.